Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you where the hydraulic pump for the convertible top on Mercedes CLK W208 is located and how to get to it. We have a video how to replace those, how to diagnose bleeding systems and all that. We'll have more than 100 videos on that vehicle, so if you have one, please subscribe. If you don't, we'll have other vehicles as well, constantly adding new vehicles to the channel. So we'll need to remove the carpet in the trunk, and now we'll need to get a 10mm, okay, and we'll need to remove a few bolts now. Those are the ones I'm talking about right here. We need to remove all of this. Okay, one is out. We'll just collect it here. Second one. This one doesn't want to come out. We'll come back to it. So we're going to get a wrench for these two because they're hard to get with a little impact. And also we will have the videos for the fuses for the convertible top, how to separate. So all of that is coming soon guys. Check the playlist. If it's not there yet, it will be in the future. Okay, we're going to remove that cap, plastic cap that holds that carpet piece in place there, so we can gain more room. One on this side, we already removed it right here. You can see because there is more bolts now, hidden bolts. A couple more here, not as easy as you think. For instance, we have the BMW E46, that's the main build on our channel, World Mechanics guys, and the hydraulic pump is way easier than that Mercedes. This one is a little bit complicated. Okay, this one, both of them will come out now. And then we have a couple more to do. Okay, we got this one out. Okay, we remove that bolt and one like that on the other side, so we can remove that thing out of there, so we can gain more room because there is a few hidden bolts. So now, if you twist it that way, okay, it's gonna come out. Same thing on this side. We need to unglue that carpet here. Okay, and we're going to install that one later guys. So now you can see we have more room. We will actually remove those clips so this thing can drop. We'll be using one of those clip removers. You can get the whole kit, very inexpensive. We'll have the link on our website guys. Okay, so you pull the middle part out and then the whole clip. this one is off. And we have more bolts, as you can see here and there. You can see how many we have hidden bolts here. Very inconvenient, guys, very inconvenient. Limited room. Okay, we need to pick all the bolts now that we just dropped in the trunk. And let's see if that thing's gonna come out now. And you can see all the bolts inside the spare tire compartment here that we got. And even a few more here and there. Tic tac, somebody left here. Alright guys, and we got the thing out of here now. That's where the hydraulic pump for the power convertible top is located, guys. You can see right there, and that's the amp for the music if you need. A little bit of a complicated procedure to get to it. We'll have more video on that pump, and if you need to replace something, so check it out on the channel if you need help with something. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.